What you doing, Nora Noodle? It's not her.
What's the
Do you want to
matter?
look at it?
Where are you gonna help him not stop crying?
Look at her instead.
Careful.
He's just getting sleepy.
I can tell.
Yeah, don't we?
Alright, my turn to hold Nora. Let me hold my baby Nora.
Let's watch this. Oh, such a big daddy. Such a big daddy can hold his baby. Toughen up.
Woman so
Oh,
strong.
so strong.
Oh, Gary.
You want to sit, but you can't sit on the table.
Sit with Daddy.
Sit on the couch. You want to sit on the pillow on the floor? You can't sit on the couch.
Go sit by Roxy.
Roxy's on the chair.
Roxy's like, how do you leave?
What did I do to you to sit down?
Yeah. Roxy's like, children, what? I'll be gone. You should have felt her when everybody came in, like all at once. Where are you going, Ezra? Are you going for a stroll? Are you going for a stroll?
Oh, you are.
Look at you walking along like a big boy.
Try that other foot right here.
Baby. Oh, that's for the baby. I'll keep it here.
Move one at a time. Not both.
Wow,
No,
Ezra.
both move. Did you know that guy, that family they were talking about in church, that the daughter died?
Mhm.
That's the father's the guy who cuts Dad's hair.
I know.
Okay.
That's your mama's saying.
And you know another thing? The father, the kid, that was the boyfriend of Elliot Mueller, who's going to play for Michigan next year.
The boyfriend of the girl who died is signed on to play for Michigan.
Top recruit.
Well, my sister, her boyfriend